Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I style these Vans 5 different ways. If you follow me on Instagram, like, these are the only shoes that I've been wearing lately, so I decided to just make a video on different outfits that I would wear with them. Like, these are my favorite. You can wear these with almost anything, like any style outfit or anything. So what's going to be cool about this video is some of the items that I wear in the video I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark. If you don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app where you can sell and buy different items that you post. So I'm going to be selling some of the items that I feature in this video plus other things on my Poshmark, so make sure you follow me. My name on there is Diamond Candy TV, and you can follow so many different people. They have Nike, they have Chanel, they have Louis Vuitton, they have Tory Burch, they have Adidas, they have like literally anything that you can think of. And yeah, they sell them for cheap and it's trustworthy. So make sure you guys follow me there and make sure you download the app for free with the link in my description box. And yeah, during the video I'll be showing you guys which items are on my Poshmark so you can go buy them real quick. Snatch it up, child. So throughout the video, if you see this icon pop up next to the item, then that means that it's on my Poshmark for you to go and buy. I promise that I'm not gonna knock y'all over the head. I'm gonna be, very reasonable with the prices, and I'm not really doing it to make money. It's honestly just because I need to get this stuff out of my closet. I have too much stuff, and why not put it on there so one of you guys can buy at an affordable price. So be on the lookout for, like I said, this icon next to the item so you know if it's there. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Would I live if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what we're on. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. You again, why'd you call? I don't need to hear you crying out my name. And like before, when you and I lay eye to eye, now it's time for you to taste the bitter end. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you aren't new to my channel, if you've been here before, if you're a rider, thank you for tuning in again. And make sure you turn your Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a post. You know, YouTube and Instagram, the algorithms have been playing me. So I want to make sure you guys are seeing the content that I'm creating for you. And yeah, make sure you like the video also. I know I'm asking for a lot, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.